What's up, YouTube? In the first video, I left off introducing you to Henrietta Lacks, and I left off talking about how Henrietta Lacks went to Johns Hopkins Hospital / University to find out that she had cancer, and the doctors there basically wanted to scrape her cervix to get some cells so that they can keep the cells alive in order to study them, because at the time there was an international debate going on as to how to best treat cervical cancer. And this particular doctor sent the cells over to his friend across the street, who was experimenting with cells to keep them alive in a petri dish. And Henrietta Lacks cells did something that no other cells have ever done before, which was stay alive out of the body into a petri dish. The significance of that is that you can perform all type of scientific experimentation with live human cells out of a petri dish, and from her immortal or indestructible cells, you know, they were able to come up with medical miracles such as the polio vaccine, some cures for cancer, DNA, gene mapping. Her cells been used to make biological and nuclear weapons. Her cells were the first cells to go up on a space mission to study the effects of zero gravity on humans. Her cells have been to the moon. Her cells were instrumental in producing computer technology, instrumental in producing the internet, much more. Her cells are so significant that scientists begin to refer to her cells as their precious babies. Her cells are so instrumental that scientists basically were saying that they have found a way to conquer death. Her cells are so instrumental that they shape the policies of presidents and countries. You have to get this book. And basically, I'm making this video is to keep Henrietta Lacks alive, and I want to provoke thought. I want to provoke discussion. So, you know, please leave your comments on here. Get the book, read the book, and let's start a book discussion. And with that, oh yeah, and at this time, I also want to thank Rebecca Skloot for having the courage and the bravery for writing this book. She was first introduced to Henrietta Lacks at the age of 16. She was taking a college biology course at 16. I guess she was still in high school, but she took some sort of special course, and the instructor or professor introduced her to Henrietta Lacks. And then from there, she was fascinated by the story. And I think Miss Rebecca Skloot, you were sent by God to write this book. I also want to thank the 5%er guy who read the book and got on here and made the video and gave some information about Henrietta Lacks. So I'll be waiting to hear from you, YouTube viewers. Peace.